everyone, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you'd like to check the exact percentage of the usage of the battery on the status bar, then all you have to do is to simply enter the settings. Now let's scroll in order to find the display. Let's tap on it, and here we have to find the status bar. Let's tap on it, and as you can see on the second position we've got the battery percentage option, so let's tap, and here we've got three different options again. So probably you have this one option applied, as I said, only the battery indicator, so you can pick the second option inside the battery icon, which is the option I had previously applied, or you can set it next to the battery icon. So from now on you will be able to check the exact percentage of the battery. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your TCL Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.